false promises.
Boring. No comment.
No, the poor lady, the president was getting very tired by the end.
Repeating the same thing
No,
again and
she
again.
could hardly speak, poor thing.
The controversy over Sonia Gandhi's comment about President Murmu has intensified, leading to a no confidence motion against her in parliament. More than 24 tribal MPs from the BJP have raised a motion of breach of privilege against Sonia Gandhi. 21 BJP MPs present breach of privilege motion. In a motion submitted to Rajya Sabha Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar, 21 BJP MPs accuse Sonia Gandhi of insulting the dignity of President's post. The motion reads, Sonia Gandhi's statement seems to be insulting the dignity of the highest constitutional post of our country. Such statements not only lower the dignity of the post but also violate the parameters of parliamentary procedures and traditions. Parliamentary ethics demand that members maintain the dignity of constitutional post and avoid making insulting remarks. Sonia Gandhi's statement does not adhere to these rules. Considering the seriousness of the matter, we request you to take cognizance and initiate appropriate disciplinary action. Now let's have a look at the political reactions. The issue has sparked reactions from both BJP and Congress leaders. Pramod Tiwari, a Congress MP in the Rajya Sabha, defended Sonia Gandhi's statement, claiming there was nothing unparliamentary or insulting about her words. He stated, I have heard the entire statement. There is not a single unparliamentary or insulting word in it, and in fact, it conveys respect and sympathy for the president. On the other hand, BJP MP Bhagwat Karad criticized Sonia Gandhi, stating that her comment about the president was inappropriate. The president's office responded to Sonia Gandhi's remark without naming her directly, saying the statement undermined the dignity of the office.
शाही परिवार के एक सदस्य ने कहा कि आदिवासी बेटी ने बोरिंग भाषण दिया। दूसरी सदस्य तो इससे भी एक कदम आगे बढ़ गई। राष्ट्रपति जी को पुअर थिंग कहा। ये देश के 10 करोड़ आदिवासी भाई बहनों का अपमान है।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi also expressed his disapproval, accusing the Congress royal family of insulting the president due to Sonia Gandhi's statement. The matter has stirred a heated debate in parliament, with both parties continuing to express their differing views on the issue. What are your thoughts on this? Do let us know in the comments. Till then, keep watching India TV for more updates.